Welcome back, everybody. This is Joe Cusick, Senior VP at TradingBlock.com, here from the CME Group floor. We want to talk a little bit about stocks, how they were hit yesterday with broad-based selling pressure. We saw that on Tuesday with all the major ETFs down around 1.5%. All 9 sectors were down, but the one that got hit the most was the industrial sector, leading the way down about 0.5%. The consumer staples and utility sectors held up really well. They were the smallest losses out of those sector ETFs. And overall, the risk-off mentality continues down at the market, really for these following reasons. One is that the small caps are showing relative weakness. They have, for the last month and a half, they've been leaning to the downside with the IWM down almost 9%, over 9%. Treasuries continue to outperform stocks at this point, and we see that the defensive sectors are outperforming the offensive sectors. October is typically a volatile month. As a matter of fact, we saw something that we haven't seen in a while. The VIX actually settled over 17 last night, and we still see it over 17 today. So we want to keep an eye on that. Now, today is also the unofficial start of earnings season with Alcoa coming out. We're seeing that the options marketplace is pricing in for today and going into the end of the week, basically the opportunity or potential for the stock to move Alcoa, ticker symbol AA, around 88 cents. So there's a pretty significant move in there, almost about 7% going into the earnings announcement. Now, the one thing that you're going to want to watch for the remainder of this week is going to want to watch the S&P 500. You're going to want to see if, in fact, it continues to challenge that 1920 level. We've seen it get in this level where the selling has been, this is almost the third time in the last couple of weeks where we're getting down into this level. If it does break there, we could see 1900. We want to see it hold there. If it holds there and actually the buyers come in and you see a break of 1950, you could see that the bulls will not start to hibernate. If, in fact, though, it does break 1920, go to 1900, the bulls are going to continue to look to stay on the sidelines. Well, that's it for right now from the CME Group floor. This is Joe Cusick, Vice President at TradingBlock.com. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next week.